Hello there, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Tanir. Welcome. Go ahead and click subscribe right now so you don't forget. Anyway, we're gonna get right into this video. I started off with a freshly washed face and applied my brows off camera. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Ebony to get this look. Today I will be using the Morphe 35B palette. I love this very colorful palette, and I will be taking this pink coral shade, and that will be my main transition color, and I'm slapping that all over the crease. To define the crease, I'm going to take this Mikasa 3110 brush. It's a very small brush, perfect for the crease. And I'm going to take the shade right below that to deepen up everything. Now this brush I really love. It's actually reminds me of like Morphe and Sigma, so I feel like if Sigma and Morphe had a baby, it would be Mikasa brushes. And I also do have a coupon code for you guys down in the description box. Check it out to save some moolah. And then I'm also going to take this plump red like shade, and I'm going to put that right on the crease, making sure to keep it right in that little socket to deepen up the look. To blend everything out, I am taking this Royal Crown, I believe, Royal Crown brush. It is BMX 430. It's a crease brush, and I'm just going to blend everything together. I know this looks scary, but I will be using the Inglot gel liner as a base because I just couldn't find any black shadow black enough for my liking, so this is why I'm using this one instead. Then I'm going to take this black eyeshadow from the same 35B palette, and I'm going to place that right on top to set that gel and also begin to blend everything together. To blend everything out, I'm using the Mikasa E330 brush. I'm going back to that coral shade to soften up the black. You're going to see me do this a lot because when working with black, you kind of have to play the whole back and forth game, you know, adding more black and then adding more color to really diffuse everything. So just watch and learn what I do here. Yeah. Pulling out some glitter for this look. I got this glitter from Amazon a long time ago. It's like this pinkish grayish glitter, really fine, perfect for the eyes, perfect for this look. So everything that you will need will be in the description box. I did dip my brush into the Lit Cosmetics glitter adhesive. If you guys don't have this, oh my gosh, you're going to cry the first time you use this stuff because it is so amazingly bomb. So again, that will be in the description box. Be sure to get it. To highlight my brow bone, I'm using this Becca highlighter. I believe it's called Champagne. If it's not called Champagne, the real name will be in the description box. To kick things up a notch, I'm going to use this pink shimmer eyeshadow, and I'm putting that in the inner corner. Then of course adding some falsies. To prime my face, I'm using the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you have dry skin, you are going to love, you're going to be obsessed with this primer. It felt so freaking good and moisturizing on the skin. Today I'll be using the Nars All Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. It's a long ass name for a really bomb ass foundation, you guys. If you have dry ass skin, I feel your pain. First of all. Second of all, you need to try this foundation ASAP because it feels so freaking lightweight, so moisturizing. Your skin will look bomb all day long. I promise you. I am obsessed with this foundation, you guys. Keeping it in the family, I will be using the Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer, and this is in the shade Walnut. I will be using a damp beauty sponge to blend that out. To set that concealer, I will be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and as soon as I set everything, I will be wiping it all off because I just don't bake anymore. Because y'all know, if you have dry skin, you want to have as less powder on your face as possible. To contour my nose, I will be using the BH Cosmetics contouring palette. I will be using the second dark shade there on the last row because I don't want to go overboard with my nose, but I will be going in a deeper shade for, you know, my cheeks and my jawline. I like to cut my contour a little bit because my features are very soft and I want to make them look a little bit more prominent. Doing this will bring out the contour a little bit more and make it look a little bit deeper. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to go back into the Morphe 35B palette, taking that coral and that black shade to smoke out my lash line and also apply my mascara and my eyeliner. Also adding a little bit more of that pink shimmer shade to the inner corner to intensify everything. Then I'm going to blend everything together using my Mikasa 111 brush. Then I'm going to add a little bit of blush. This one is my favorite by MAC. It's called Love Thing. Alright, so I got the correct name for this highlighter from Becca. It's actually called Prosecco Pop. Then I'm going to line my lip with the MAC pencil called Chestnut. And I'm just applying some random lip gloss I got from the beauty supply store. I honestly don't know where I got it from, but I believe this brand is called Femme Couture or Femme Couture, however you pronounce that. To set my face, I'll be using the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. Oh my god, this setting spray is the best that I've tried. Like, hands down. For me personally, it's the best. MAC finally got competition because I've been using the MAC Fix Plus Spray for forever, but I have made the switch to Too Faced. I love it. And we are done with this beat down, honey. New Fini, it's finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and also share if you really enjoyed it that much. Of course, if you aren't new, click that subscribe button so that you will see my beautiful face again. Have a good night, weekend, day, wherever, whenever you may be. Bye.